First one we got was October 2015, and then we got another one, the little Dremel that's not working, probably in 2016. The maker bots, I think, were 2017 or 2018. But so it was just a student effort, really, that got this started. If you design something, you want it printed, let me know, you ask, and my team of experienced students and myself will print it for you. Yep. So a student who wants to learn to actually print, all they have to do is let me know, and I will hook them up usually with another student to train them, and I'll observe, and we'll see how it goes. I teach students here how to use Tinkercad because Tinkercad is free. It's created by AutoCAD, and it's what we've been using since 2015. As long as they can get it into an STL file and that they can manipulate, that's fine. It's exciting to see what you've designed come to life. It often doesn't look like you thought it would the first time. So failures are fine. I have a whole box full of failures and reprints, of things we've done over the years, but we learn from every failure.